Let's practice drawing angles. We have to be familiar with our protractor to do this. The first angle I'm asked to draw is 50 degrees. I need to start by giving myself a straight line to draw from. Now that I have the straight line, I can zero my protractor using this dot on one end of the straight line that I drew. And then, counting up from 0, which means this time I'm using the inner numbers on the protractor, I go up to 50 and I put a line there that shows a 50-degree angle with the line that I had already drew. It is that easy to draw a 50-degree angle. Let's try drawing a 90-degree angle, but we will use the left side of the protractor this time instead. I need a straight line. Once I have my straight line, I can zero the protractor on it. And because I'm on the left side of the protractor and I know I have to count up from 0, this time I need to use the outer set of numbers. I follow those numbers until I get to 90 and I put a dot. And then I draw a line between that dot and the vertex I started from. And I have created a 90-degree angle. Some angles you're asked to draw are bigger than 90 though. What do? Well, start with a straight line. Put your vertex of your protractor, the 0 dot, on the vertex one end of the line. And then we're counting up from 0. Well, that's the inner numbers on this side of the protractor. So I keep on going past 90 until I get to 114, which is going to be right about here. And then I draw a line between the dot that I marked and the vertex that I was using. This is a 114-degree angle. A 180-degree angle is also known as a straight angle. If you have a line, you zero your protractor, and counting up from 0, meaning using the inner numbers this time, I go all the way to 180. Well, it's straight over here. All I'm doing when I connect them, the vertex to that dot, is I'm continuing the straight line I started with. So this is a straight angle or a 180-degree angle. Where it gets a little bit tricky is that the protractor's numbers only go to 180 and then they stop. But some angles you may be asked to draw are bigger than 180. In order to draw this 230-degree angle, you have to know that the angle of a circle is 360 degrees. So what we can do is we can say 360 degrees minus 230 is equal to 130. Let's try drawing a 130-degree angle underneath our starting line. Counting from 0, 130 is over here. I put a dot. I draw a line connecting my vertex to that dot. But the 130-degree angle is this smaller one here. I was asked for the 230, which is complementary to the 130. 230 is what I get if I subtract 130 from the circle. So therefore, all I have to do is put this symbol for the angle on the other side, and I must have a 230-degree angle. Let's try the same trick with a 335-degree angle. There's my starting line. I zero my protractor on it. I can't go up to 335, that's far bigger than the 180 I have on my protractor. So I do the circle, 360, I subtract 335, and my answer is 25. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a 25-degree angle instead. And then instead of putting the symbol for the angle on the inside, which is a 25-degree angle, I know, I put it on the outside. And that must be a 335-degree angle, because 25 plus 335 is equal to the